Welcome to DCE Digital Learning. This is BSc Mathematics class, and in this class we are going to discuss problems on rings. Problem 1. If R is a system satisfying all the conditions for a ring with unity, with the possible exception A plus B equals B plus A, show that R is a ring. Solution. Let AB belongs to R be arbitrary and 1 belongs to R is unity. Consider A plus B into 1 plus 1, which is equal to A plus B into 1 plus A plus B into 1 by left distributivity, which implies A plus B into 1 plus 1 equals A plus B plus A plus B, equation 1, as 1 is unity. Also, A plus B into 1 plus 1 equals A into 1 plus 1 plus B into 1 plus 1 by right distributivity, which implies A plus B into 1 plus 1 equals A plus A plus B plus B, equation 2, by left distributivity, and 1 is unity. From 1 and 2 we get A plus B plus A plus B equals A plus A plus B plus B, which implies A plus B plus A plus B equals A plus B plus B by associativity, which implies B plus A equals A plus B by cancellation law, which implies plus is commutative and hence R is a ring. Problem 2. A ring R is called Boolean ring if A square equals A for all A belongs to R. If R is a Boolean ring, then show that 1. A plus A equals 0 for all A belongs to R. 2. R is commutative. Solution. First one. Let A belongs to R, then A plus A belongs to R. Consider A plus A whole square equals A plus A by data, which implies A plus A into A plus A equals A plus A, which implies A square plus A square plus A square plus A square equals A plus A by distributivity, which implies A plus A plus A plus A equals A plus A by data and association, which implies A plus A equals 0 by cancellation law. Second one, let AB belongs to R, then A plus B belongs to R. Consider A plus B whole square equals A plus B by data, which implies A plus B into A plus B equals A plus B, which implies A square plus AB plus BA plus B square equals A plus B by distributivity, which implies A plus AB plus BA plus B equals A plus B by data, which implies AB plus BA equals 0, equation 1, by cancellation law. Also, by 1 above we have AB plus AB equals 0, equation 2. From 1 and 2 we get AB plus BA equals AB plus AB, which implies BA equals AB by cancellation law, which implies R is commutative. Problem 3. If R plus dot is a ring with unity such that AB whole square equals A square into B square for all AB belongs to R, then show that R is commutative. Solution. Since 1 belongs to R, for all x, y belongs to R, we have x into y plus 1 whole square equals x square into y plus 1 whole square by data, which implies xy plus x whole square equals x square into y plus 1 into y plus 1. which implies xy plus x into xy plus x equals x square into y square plus 2y plus 1 by distributive property, which implies xy whole square plus xyx plus x square y plus x square equals x square y square plus 2x square y plus x square by distributivity. Which implies x square y square plus xyx plus x square y plus x square equals x square y square plus 2x square y plus x square by data, which implies xyx equals x square y equation 1 by cancellation loss. Replacing x by x plus 1 in equation 1 above, we get x plus 1 into y into x plus 1 equals x plus 1 whole square into y, which implies x plus 1 into y into x plus 1 equals x plus 1 into x plus 1 into y by associativity, which implies xy plus y into x plus 1 equals x square plus 2x plus 1 into y by distributivity, which implies xyx plus xy plus yx plus y equals x square y plus 2xy plus y again by distributivity. Since xyx equals x square y and 2xy equals xy plus xy, we have yx equals xy by cancellation law, which implies R is commutative. Prove that the structure set 02468 addition modulo 10 multiplication modulo 10 is a ring without zero divisors. Solution. The composition table for addition modulo 10 is given here. Clearly, given set is subset of Z10, which is a ring. 0 is identity for addition, as row against 0 is exactly duplication of the top row. Addition modulo 10 is associative, as it is associative in Z10. Addition modulo 10 is commutative, as it is subset of Z10. Every element has additive inverse, as in the composition table 0 appears exactly once in each row. Therefore, it is abelian group with respect to addition modulo 10. The composition table for multiplication modulo 10 is given here. Clearly, multiplication modulo 10 is associative, as given set is subset of Z10. Multiplication modulo 10 is distributive, as it is a subset of Z10. In the composition table, product of two non-zero elements is non-zero. Therefore, given structure is a ring without zero divisors. Problem 5. Find the units of the ring Z6 addition modulo 6 multiplication modulo 6. Solution. The composition table for multiplication modulo 6 is given here. Clearly, 1 is the unity, as row against 1 is exact duplication of the top row. And if you observe the composition table here, 1 appears in the row against 1 and 5 only. Therefore, 1 and 5 are the units, and inverse of 1 is 1 and inverse of 5 is 5. Problem 6. Find the units of the ring Z20 addition modulo 20 multiplication modulo 20. Solution. X belongs to Z20 is a unit if x into y modulo 20 equals 1. Therefore, units are 1, 3, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17 and 19. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18 are zero divisors. Note, in Zm addition modulo m, multiplication modulo m, the number of units equals pi of m, the number of zero divisors equals m minus pi of m plus 1. That's all in this video. Thank you.